I think I might maybe wait until tomorrow and look at the neighbor's ATV for them. The neighbors got out Saturday and went to Mexico. I wish they would have taken me with them. Hopefully they bring some warm weather back. But I'm almost at where their ATV's at. They were using their ATV to get to the end of the driveway. And then, I don't know if they borrowed a car or what they did, but they had a car. They leave parked up here. And then they take the ATV back to their house. And then when they would leave, they take the ATV from the house to the car. Whoa! I nearly fell on that ice. Let me shut this off. I'm going to look at their ATV and then head back and try to figure out what to do tomorrow. Just got back from looking at the neighbor's ATV and I believe I know what's wrong with it. We're about to see. Maybe. Let's see, I just tested mine earlier. Let's see. Battery tester, battery test. This is a regular, no, is that AGM? Powered AGM. AGM flat state. 220, actually I think that one's 200. CCA. It's either dead or it's bad. 34% health, only 68% charge, replace. Well, I'm going to put it on a trickle charger overnight. Sometimes that fixes them. I've already got it sitting here. Because guess what I just did to mine? I knew as soon as I put the key in it what was wrong with it. Excuse the mess. We've been getting work done around here and not been cleaning so much. Doing all kinds of work, not doing much cleaning. Actually, I want to put that on 50 amp for about 4 hours. 50, yeah, 4 hours. I'm going to leave it on 50 amp for 4 hours, then I'll put it down on trickle charge. Well, it's been 4 hours at 50 amps, which is plenty enough time to charge a 200 amp hour battery. But I have a feeling the battery's just bad, but I wanted to double check it because sometimes you can quick charge them like that and then put it on a trickle charge and it'll revive it enough to work for a little while longer. Let's see. Battery tester. Battery test. AGM. 200 cold cranking amps. Yeah, so I knew that was going to happen too. So I got to remove the surface charge. The way you do that is plug it in a couple of times. What that means is basically I overcharged it slightly. Yep. Well, that means I basically need something that's 12 volts that but I can hook up to this and let it run for a few seconds. I'll be right back. Well, let's try this again. Well, what do you know? So I'll go ahead and put this on trickle charge and leave it on trickle charge all night long, and we'll try it again tomorrow. Same battery. They could have alternator problems, but or it could just be where it was cold. Well, this is on trickle charge all night, but I noticed when I was taking the battery out of it that the terminals are really bad corroded. And now that the battery is testing okay, we'll go ahead and fix that too. Brush. Kind of see that terminal right there. Dull. Almost black. It's got a black coating on it. The wires were the same way, the wire terminals, so I'll take this brush down there with me. Get them cleaned up. And then also, we'll put some dielectric grease on there, which will keep them from corroding again. Have to excuse my hands here. I'm doing this, holding a cell phone with one hand while trying to probably way too much, but since I'm doing this one-handed. And get the screws back on it. And I'll also take a battery booster with me. You know, it's like 8 degrees outside right now, so it's all these little batteries can do is start an ATV on cold mornings. That should pretty much get them taken care of, though, once the battery was charged back up. Once it's running, I'll make sure the charging system is working, and then that will be take it from there. hear the ATV running. One problem down. Now if I can get the driveway done. I'll be happy that was taken care of. Let's go get this driveway done.